What's up guys, David Falla here. I'm at home. I'm actually getting ready to go to work, and I have been getting a lot of messages lately about taking care of yourself, right? I feel like nowadays men want to take care of themselves, they want to look better, so we're looking for better haircuts, better way to take care of our beard, better clothes, better everything. And one thing that I've been getting some messages about is about skincare. Many people, many men want to know how to take care of the skin, right? We know that skincare is extremely important and it can help us so much with the way we look. So this is a perfect opportunity. Since I'm getting ready, I'm going to show you guys my skincare routine. It's very simple, very few steps, but I think it's the basics that every man should be doing nowadays. So I'm going to show you guys what my skincare routine is right before I go to work. Okay, so the first step of my skincare routine, it's going to be to cleanse my face or to wash my face. This is something I do every morning when I shower, and I also do it at night after I get out of work. And the reason is because I shower right after work. I'm a barber, I cut hair the whole day. I'm gonna have a bunch of hair on me, so usually after work I shower again. So I cleanse my face or wash my face in the morning and at night. What's very important is that you use a product that is meant for your face, right? We want to have a soap for our body, body wash, but we're going to have a separate product for your face. So in this case, because I have a beard and I always keep my beard, I like to use something that is meant for my face and for my beard. In this case, I love this product. I think it's one of the best products for my face, for my skin. This is the Gillette King C Gillette beard wash and face wash, and this is a product that I love. This is what I use every day and it smells great. So that will be the first step. So I'm gonna wash my face right now. Something that's very important when you're washing your face is that I use warmer water because I want to open the pores. I want to be able to get really in there and remove all the oils, remove everything that is on your face. So you want to make sure that you do that, especially if you have a beard. You want to make sure that you are washing your face very well, especially the hair. This is really going to promote growth in your facial hair. That's because you're cleansing the skin very well. So very important that you clean your face very well. How I said, warmer water works best. Okay, so now that I'm done washing my face, I'm gonna show you guys I look super clean. I love the feeling of clean face. It just feels incredible, right? So now my second step is going to be to shave. Remember, we're trying to take care of ourselves, we're trying to look better, and part of that skincare routine in the morning is going to be the shaving part. Why is it important? Because remember, if you're trying to go for a clean shave or you're trying to maintain your beard, it's extremely important that you focus on actually keeping up with those nice lines. Those lines are gonna frame our face a lot better, and it's gonna make us look and feel our best. So what I'm going to do now, you guys can see I haven't been keeping up with the bottom line, with the neckline, which I will say is the most important part of your beard, right? Because when you clean up the neckline, you look nice, you look presentable, you look like you take care of yourself. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do right now. Before I start, I wanna talk to you guys about the tools that we're going to use to shave. It's really important that you guys find a high quality razor because it's going to make your shaving better, more smooth, and with less irritation, which is really important. And because we are talking about high quality razors is the reason why I decided to partner up with Gillette to be the sponsor of today's video. How we all know, Gillette makes the best razors on the market, and I'm super excited because Gillette now has the Gillette Labs with exfoliating bar. This razor is incredible. I love it because it became part of my skincare routine, and what it does, this exfoliating bar is going to remove all the dirt, anything that you have on your face even before the razor actually touches your skin. This is extremely important because now you're shaving on a clean surface. So that's the razor I've been using, and I'm really loving it. So this is a razor you can see, and this right here is the exfoliating bar. This is going to clean your face from any dirt before you actually shave. This is incredible for anybody trying to incorporate shaving to be part of your skincare routine, like in my case. So now what I'm gonna do, now my face is super clean, I'm going to exfoliate the neck area, and I'm gonna create that nice line that's gonna make me look a lot better, and I'm gonna feel better because I'm gonna look better. So let's go ahead and shave. So every time you shave, you wanna use a shaving product. Maybe a foam like this one, or maybe you want to use a shaving gel or a shaving cream. This is really important because you want to have some lubrication at the moment that you use the razor. So in this case, I'm going to use the shaving foam, and I'm going to apply in the area that I want to shave. Okay, now that I have an area I want to shave, I'm going to put it here too because I want to shave there too, and a little bit here and a little bit here. Okay, now that my neckline is actually pretty good, I'm going to shave the top. So pretty much with the top, you just want to follow your natural line, all the natural lines. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Okay, now that I'm done shaving and you know, my neck is clean, the top of my cheeks are clean, I feel great. Definitely so, when you look good, you feel good, and that's exactly how I feel right now, but we are not done with our skincare routine. So for this step, we're going to use two products, an aftershave for my neck and a moisturizer for the rest of my face. Okay, so this is going to be the aftershave. I'm gonna apply it on my neck. Okay, it feels great. Actually, I already feel the cooling sensation, and the same thing with the top of my beard. Now for the rest of my face, we're going to use a moisturizer. For the rest of my face, I'm just going to apply a little bit. Okay, so you guys can see my face looks super clean. I feel great. I feel ready to start the day, and that's the reason why it's so important to have a skincare routine, because you look good and then you feel good, and everybody's gonna notice that about you, that you're taking care of yourself, and that is a boost of confidence, and that's exactly why I do as well. I wanna preserve my skin, I wanna look young, and I wanna look good. That's extremely important. Okay, so just to recap on our skincare routine, step one is going to be to wash your face. Make sure that you are washing your face with a face wash, and if you happen to have a beard or you like to keep your beard, make sure that you use a high quality beard wash. Step two, if you have a beard and you're going to go full shave, or you're just going to clean up the lines of your beard, it's really important to use a high quality razor. In my case, I use the Gillette Labs with exfoliating bar. Believe me when I tell you, shaving with this razor is as quick and easy as washing your face. So for anybody interested in getting this razor, I'm gonna leave the link on the description. Just click on it and get your razor today. Step three, after you are done shaving, you want to use an aftershave for those areas where you shave, and on the rest of your face, you want to use a high quality moisturizer. This is really important because you need to rehydrate your skin. And that's it, that's my very simple but very effective skincare routine. Don't forget to check out the link in the description. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.